Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of First Tries Cooking. Today we're going to bake a red velvet cake from scratch. We're super excited about it. We've never done this before, and we're baking it for my boyfriend Jeff's son.
And my brother.
Yep, he just turned 11, so we're celebrating his birthday this weekend, and he requested a red velvet cake. He knows we're doing something for him, but he doesn't know it's going to be this particular cake. So fingers crossed it turns out to be a good surprise and not a disaster. Okay, I have all of the ingredients measured out and ready to go. This is the mixer I'm going to be using. This was Jeff's mom's mixer, and I really have no idea how old it is or when it was used last. But this is the one we're going to be using today. Okay, so I'm going to add a link to this recipe down in the description below. I'm not going to bore you with showing you each ingredient and how much goes into this, like my boyfriend does on this channel with his recipes. So we went ahead and added the flour, the baking soda, the cocoa powder, and the salt, and we whisked that together, and now we're going to get ready to add the wet ingredients. I have now mixed all the ingredients together, and a funny thing happened while I was doing that. I was supposed to add a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Here's the bottle. I accidentally picked up the red food coloring and added a tablespoon of that instead. I did go back and add the vanilla, so it is in there. Just a little bit more food coloring than I anticipated, but it's going to be okay, right? That's an easy mistake, I think. But I'm about to put them in the pans, put it in the oven, and see how it turns out. Okay, we have the cakes in the oven, and while those are baking, we're going to make the icing. We have our cream cheese. It's going to be cream cheese icing, butter, heavy whipping cream, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla. And it's vanilla, it's not red food coloring, so we're good on that. And then here's a pinch of salt. Okay, the icing is now ready, so we're going to put it on the cake. The icing tastes really good. It's just really
Yeah, it does taste really good.
liquidy.
But it is really good. It's sweet but good.
Yeah, the icing is a little runny. But we're going to do a taste test and see how it turned out.
That's what matters, is the taste.
Yes. We know the icing tastes good.
Oh.
And it's red.
Velvet.
Grant, this is all about for your birthday, so
Try it.
2 days ago.
Happy birthday to Grant.
Is it red and velvety?
This is good. That is really good.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks. See you later.
If you liked the video, hit the like button.
Smash the like button, slap the subscribe button, and kick the notification bell.
Woo!
Yeah.
See you next time.